Hey friends, the cold weather is here and it is too cold to keep the windows open when I'm working with resin, my laser engraving machine, or soldering. If you're in the same boat, I have a solution for you. I just got two new Vewior air purifiers and they work perfectly in each of my workstations. So today I'm going to share with you a few projects that I've been working on, and I'm going to show you how I use these air purifiers to keep the air in my studio fresh and clean all day long. Here's the deal. You do not want to be inhaling smoke fumes from your laser engraver, even if it has an air purifier connected to it. Also, you don't want to be breathing in resin fumes or smoke from your soldering iron. And I found that these Vewior air purifiers are the perfect solution. All right, let me show you what I've been doing and show you how I use these air purifiers. This little guy works in a 1,200 square foot room and has an H13 True HEPA air filter with a fragrance sponge. Now you can set the time and the power super easy, and as for me, I just turn it on while I'm working and let it run most of the day. This air purifier is for a room up to 1,600 square feet, also with the H13 True HEPA air filter. It has a nightlight for your bedroom, a fragrance sponge to distribute your favorite scents along with the fresh air, and it has a sleep mode, a timer, a lock, an air cleaner for wildfire smoke odor, and pet dander. If you follow me, you know I love making heat transfers with my direct-to-fabric printer. Part of the process is coating the printouts with DTF powder, which is a plastic dust that allows the transfers to adhere to fabric. You have to heat set the plastic in a flat oven, and each time I open the oven, there are fumes from the melted plastic. In the summer, that's fine, but in the winter when the windows are closed, not so much. And I really enjoy making heat transfers, so having my purifiers close by makes a huge difference. For the past few months, I've been teaching myself how to solder, and as you'll see, keeping my soldering tip clean and tinning my pieces causes fumes that I'm quite close to while I'm working. Having the air purifier right in the vicinity is very helpful. I used to watch my dad solder when I was a kid, and I was always fascinated by it. And I even tried it a few times and realized it's something you really have to practice. But now that I've done it a bit more, I'm hooked. I really love it. By the way, these air purifiers have a quiet mode, so it's super quiet if you want to keep one in your bedroom while you're sleeping. And for an extra nice night's sleep, you can add some lavender oil to the top of the air purifier to circulate fresh air and a wonderful fragrance. These are just a few of the things I've been making with my newfound love of soldering. Finally, over the past year and a half, I've been learning how to use laser engravers. Most of them come with air purifiers that suck out most of the smoke fumes from cutting wood, but not all of the fumes. Since my workroom only has one window, having the air purifier next to the unit is super helpful, especially in the winter when the window's closed. Now, if you're creative like me and have strange fumes from your work projects looming around your workspace, these Vewior air purifiers are a must-have, and I'll leave links for you in the description. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used in this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that subscription bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration, check out one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling. And if you want inspiration and videos that I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. All right, I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.